Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add comments to your text file on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file that we have uploaded to the OneDrive portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Enter to open up the alternative web browser. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, more applications. Let's navigate to the OneDrive portal. Let's wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, now let's go to admin. Now go to my files. Navigate to the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. Within this, we should have a text file, an image, a document, as well as a video. We are primarily focusing on the text file. Let's now click on this. And then go to details. Within this section of the OneDrive portal, we can now add a comment if we wish to. Let's just say Computer Science Videos hyphen text file. Enter. We have now added a comment as part of the activity. If I were to, let's just say, click X and then navigate to home, go back to my files, go to 2024 file 1.txt and then go to details. That comment is still visible and will be visible to all the people that have access to the file itself. You can then build up a conversation, a community, a topic of discussion in regards to that particular file on the OneDrive portal. So we can now click the X, quit Google Chrome. So that's over this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.